Welcome back to Marle Story Time. Parents, today's book is about animals and their habitats and where they live. So, today's book is called Zoology for Babies by Jonathan Litton and Thomas Elliott. It's with the pictures. So, let's get started. Animals are everywhere. Some animals are very big and some are very small. Which animals can you see? Butterfly, zebra, bird, leopard, elephant, mouse. Which animals can you see? Okay, I think I see the biggest one is the elephant. See? All right. Some animals eat plants and other animals eat meat. Some babies hatch from eggs and some babies do not. Giraffe, lion, cow, calf, egg, chick. Tadpoles become frogs. Caterpillars become butterflies. Frog spawn, tadpole, frog. Caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Butterflies, bees, and birds fly through the sky. Robin, swallow, bee. Have you seen a bird in the sky? Monkeys, tigers, and parrots live in the jungle. Parrot, chameleon, tiger, monkey. Fish, dolphins, and seahorses live in the ocean. Fish, dolphin, seahorse, octopus, camels, and snakes live in the hot deserts. Camel, snake, gecko. Penguins live in the icy Antarctic. Emperor penguins. Woodpeckers, squirrels, bears, and deer live in the forest. Now, show me where the bear is. There he is. You're right. Some animals build cozy homes to live in. The birds have nests and spiders have webs. And there's a den for the fox. See? Some creatures sleep in the day and come out at night. Crickets, bats, owl, fox. There's an owl. Can you make an owl sound? Good job. Now you're a zoologist. You never know what you might discover. A dog! Woof, woof. Good job. All right, kids. Now, remember, read, listen, and keep smiling. Parents, if you enjoyed this story with your kids, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.